warfarin yang paling umum termasuk perdarahan, memar, dan penurunan pembekuan darah. Kemungkinan efek samping warfarin lain.
Hello everyone, my name is Andrew, and today I'm going to tell you about our innovation, the future of pharmacy, the implementation of large language model in telepharmacy services. Our innovation provides a solution for two problems related to pharmacy. First, we provide a reliable source of drug information. Many people have used ChatGPT to gain information about medicine. However, ChatGPT is not an accurate source of information because we do not know the validity of information of ChatGPT. Second, we provide a more accessible route of drug procurement for patients. Accessibility to drug in Indonesia is still limited because of various factors. There's a healthcare inequality issue in remote areas and traffic jam in big cities. This problem inspired us to create a potential solution, which is a new LLM that is specialized in performing telepharmacy services that has a reliable source while also help patients to get drugs from pharmacies. So what is a large language model? Large language model, or LLM for short, is a form of artificial intelligence that is designed to understand and generate human language. These models are trained on vast amount of text data and perform natural language processing tasks based on the data which we provided. ChatGPT is one of the examples of large language model which we use to help our everyday tasks. Here is how it works. First, we give the LLM prompts or questions. Then, the LLM will process the questions and turn it into factors. The LLM will perform a complicated similarity search in its vector database based on the factors it gets based on these prompts. Vector database is a database that's created based on the data in which we train the model, that's turned into factors and stored. Finally, an answer factors will be created, decoded into words, and then given to us as the answer of our question. The model we're trying to build will have a vector database created by various reliable medical sources, such as textbooks and medical websites, to ensure the validity of information it provides. Also, we want to create a voice-over feature by integrating the model with a Python audio library, so the user can seamlessly talk to the model. Our voice will be converted into words and then factors, and the answer factors will be converted into words and then audio. We make this feature because it will be useful for geriatric patients who may not be able to type words. To create this model, we use Google Colab as our main development platform because it has access to GPU powerful enough to run models like this. Although it's not optimal because usually large language models run on several GPUs to maintain its rate. After that, we acquired a large language model called Falcon 7-bit Instruct. Falcon is an open source LLM which researchers can use to create new LLM for free. Although GPT is far stronger than Falcon, Falcon is more scalable compared to GPT and easier to use for enterprises. Training and hosting GPT model is extremely costly because you have to utilize either a high-end computer lab or an expensive virtual environment with strong GPUs. You might have to spend $3,000 per day just to host a trained GPT model, while our model can be as good as GPT if we train it correctly. Then, we gather the dataset to train the model. The dataset consists of various clinical pharmacy, pharmacology, pharmacotherapy textbooks, and government documents on drugs. We also gather medical data from various medical websites. After that, the dataset is then extracted and turned into a bunch of factors and stored in the vector database. After that, well, the model is basically done and ready to be used. However, the model is still so slow because the model got so big after consuming various datasets. A model this big should have access to multiple GPUs to ensure its speed. But do not worry, this model can still be improved by optimizing the dataset. I realized that textbooks may contain too much words, overloading the vector database. If we can make a new, more structured and optimized dataset, I believe the model can work much faster while giving consistent quality answer. Currently, we are in the progress of creating this optimized dataset for the model based on these textbooks. Apa efek samping dari warfarin?
H2 lebih besar dari jawaban kurang dari H2 lebih besar dari kurang dari P lebih besar dari efek samping warfarin yang paling umum termasuk perdarahan, memar, dan penurunan pembekuan darah. Kemungkinan efek samping warfarin lainnya termasuk kerusakan hati, sakit perut, dan ruam kulit. Penting untuk berbicara dengan dokter Anda tentang efek samping yang Anda alami saat mengonsumsi warfarin kurang dari P lebih besar dari.
And that's all about our innovation. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.